Right, I know it's bad to do things out of sequence, but this is the very end of Sister Seagull, so you get a swing. Imagine the band are playing that at the end of the song. And there's quite an unusual, I think, note choice where Bill goes. Right, and he plays that around. I've got so much echoing because I'm about to impersonate a seagull. Because the song's called Sister Seagull. Right. So obviously this is so E minor bass, and you've got all these the lines that Bill plays. And then it's very E minor bass, very melodic, it's fabulous, fabulous playing, right? But at the end, as I say, on this big climactic chord, Bill Nelson plays a Dorian scale for 1/2 second. Right, now that really kind of foxed me, because I imagined they would go like that, but he plays. There's your outside note. But this time we're all the way up to D. Now the rest of it is all in E minor. Right, now this is the seagull noise. When you hear Bill play that repeated line, it's the notes are the highest. You've got to be on a 22 fret guitar first, so it's a D, a C sharp, and a B. There's no fight there, but with the echoes will fight. Hear that? So that's what you hear in the fade out. So that's the very end of on that line, which is lovely. Okay, so I did jump out of sequence, but I'll do the middle bits.